Hey guys, welcome back! Today we're making shakshuka with a Korean twist. It's easy to make using simple ingredients and satisfying any time of day. Let's get started. We'll start with a generous amount of olive oil and the finely chopped onions. Add salt and the bell pepper. Take your time and cook them slowly. We want them really soft so they melt into the sauce. Then add the garlic, paprika, coriander, cumin, black pepper. And instead of using the traditional tomato paste, this is gochujang, which adds spice and smokiness. Fry for a minute. Then add some sugar and soy sauce to develop even more umami. I pureed some whole canned tomatoes, but you can use chopped or crushed, whatever your preference. Cover and simmer over medium-low heat until it thickens. When the sauce separates like this, it's ready for the eggs. Take the pan off the heat, then drop in the eggs one by one. The yolk of the third one broke, but that's okay, it'll still be delicious. Salt the eggs and top with crumbled feta cheese and scallions. Cover to steam the eggs over low heat. We want the whites to set and the yolks semi-runny. If it jiggles like this, it's not quite ready. Steam for another couple of minutes. Okay, now that looks good. Garnish with cilantro. Guys, this is a great meal any time of day, whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's one of my favorite dishes of all time. The rich tomato sauce is infused with Korean spice and smokiness, and it pairs perfectly with crusty grilled bread. Hope you try this recipe for shakshuka with a Korean twist, and let me know how it goes. See you at the next one.